Welcome back to Taylor's Kitchen, Taylor Cooks yet again. We have a picnic pie called a hunter pie. Some of the stuff you might have in the fridge already, like you might have sausage meat in the fridge, and you might have some leftovers from the weekend, you might have some stuffing left over from the weekend. So I'm going to make a hot water crust pie, like a pork pie, with lots of different layers in, and it's going to be stunning, really is. Stick with me, cue the music. Okay, let's make this pastry then. Hot water, lard and flour, and that's what we're going to use. I'm going to mix it all together, and then we're going to make the pastry and line the pan. This is our pork sausage mix that we made a few weeks ago. That's going to be our base layer. Finely chop a potato, very finely. Our potato down, gives it a little bit of body. And then we've got our onions and mushrooms, which we've already cooked. Put a layer of mushrooms and onions. I have now some chicken that's been cut into strips. This is thigh, and the chicken has been salt and peppered. So we've got some chicken on. More potatoes, pressing it down as we go along. This is stuffing, so let's flatten it out. Stuffing goes well with pork, stuffing goes well with chicken. So there we are, the last of your potatoes over the top, like this, the rest of the chicken on the top. And then we've got the final bits of our pork, which we'll press into a little burger. Put that around the edge. And more. Rustic pie.